Ever feel like 24 hours just isn't enough? Like you start your day thinking, okay, today I'll get everything done. And then somehow, you don't. Work, studies, taking care of yourself, replying to people, getting enough rest. You want to manage it all, but the day just disappears. And at night, you're left thinking, what did I even do today? So maybe the problem isn't that we don't have enough time. Maybe we're just not using it the right way. Because honestly, most of us aren't short on time. We're just overwhelmed, distracted, and a little all over the place. You wake up with a plan, but then one notification pops up. You check your phone for a second, and suddenly it's been 20 minutes. You take a quick break, and it turns into an hour. And by the end of the day, you've been busy the whole time, but not really productive. That's the frustrating part. It's not that you didn't try. It's just that your time slipped away in small pieces. Here's what's usually going wrong. First, everything feels important. So you try to do everything at once, and end up doing nothing properly. Second, there's no real structure. You're just going with the flow, and the flow is taking you everywhere. Third, you're tired at the wrong times. You try to do serious work when your brain just isn't there, and then waste your best energy on random things. And let's be honest, distractions are everywhere. Your phone, social media, messages, they don't seem like a big deal, but they quietly eat up your day. And then we tell ourselves, I'll do it later. But later never really comes. So what actually helps? Not some complicated system, just a few small, real changes. Start here. 1. Pick what actually matters today. Not 10 things, not even 5, just 2 or 3 things that would make your day feel worth it. That's enough. 2. Give your time a plan. Instead of saying, I'll study later, decide when. Even a simple plan makes a huge difference. 3. Protect your focus a little. You don't need to go offline forever. Just give yourself 1 hour, no distractions. You'll be surprised how much you get done. 4. Work with your energy, not against it. If you feel fresh in the morning, use that time well. If you're tired, don't force hard tasks, do something lighter. 5. Notice where your time actually goes. Not where you think it goes, but where it really goes. That alone can change everything. And maybe the most important one, learn to say no sometimes. To distractions, to unnecessary things, even to people. Because your time is limited, whether you realize it or not. When you start doing this, you'll notice something. Your days feel less chaotic. You feel a bit more in control. A bit less stressed. You're still busy, but now it actually means something. Because you don't need more time. You just need to be a little more intentional with it. At the end of the day, we all get the same 24 hours. The only difference is what we choose to do with them.